In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create users in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in with the appropriate access to manage users. This is important because the option to add new users is typically available only to admins or users with the right permissions. Once you're inside the account, take a moment to confirm that you're on the main Zoho CRM dashboard, so it's easier to follow the next steps. From there, go to the Setup area. You'll usually find Setup in the top right section of the screen, and this is where Zoho CRM keeps all of the system configuration options. After you click into Setup, look for the Users section. This area is where you can manage the people who have access to your CRM, including adding new team members, updating existing users, and controlling what each person can see or do inside the system. When you're in the Users section, click New User. This will open the user creation form. On this page, you'll be asked to enter the new user's details. Start by typing in the person's name and email address. Make sure the email is entered correctly, since this is usually tied to the user's login and invitation process. A small typo here can delay access, so it's a good idea to double-check before moving on. Next, select the user's role. The role helps define where this person sits in your organization's structure and can affect things like visibility and reporting hierarchy. After that, choose the profile. The profile determines the user's permissions, such as what modules they can access and which actions they're allowed to perform. Choosing the correct role and profile is an important part of setting up the user properly, so take a moment to make sure both selections match that person's job responsibilities. Once everything has been filled in and reviewed, click Save. After saving, the new user will be added to your Zoho CRM account. At that point, they can typically receive access based on the details and permissions you assigned during setup. And that's it. That's how to create users in Zoho CRM. If you're adding multiple users, it can help to be consistent with roles and profiles so your team stays organized from the beginning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.